storms, from heat and energy of the sun, create chaos in the middle of the sea. And over long periods of time, they organize themselves into beautiful patterns. And just before all that energy that traveled thousands of miles away breaks onto that shore, we can harness it just for a moment. That's wave sliding. How lucky to be called a wave slider. I remember, at 11 years old, sitting down with my dad. He told me there's an opportunity for you to go away for school, for your education. And we talked about it, eventually coming to the conclusion, it's my path to leave. I went away to learn how to communicate with the outside world. I didn't ever see a separation between the natural environment and myself. When we say we are Hawaiian here, we say, "E Hawaii'o," I am Hawai'i. The human is not separate from the land. The beautiful thing about science is it now provides me an opportunity to show someone how they're connected to nature. The coral is the oldest of our ancestors. What types of molecules are being expressed that are allowing for this encroachment to happen? There's got to be a difference between the chemical signals between this colony versus that of the lobe. One of the first scientific experiments I was able to participate in was extracting a molecule that is not only found in the coral tissue, it's found in the lungs and in the heart of the human. How similar is the coral in that it's the heart of the sea? I'm able to tell someone who visits the ocean that the microbes, the DNA that exists on you and in you is more similar to the whale, to the dolphin and the turtle than it is to someone who never visits the ocean. The ocean connects us on a molecular level. Science now has empowered me to speak of this idea of human environmental connection that I grew up with, that I just see as the truth. So did my ancestors. Every island has a story. If you listen, it will speak to you.